Hello everybody, my name is Arja Adhikari and welcome back to another Make Plus Code video. So if you haven't checked out our first video, then make sure to, there'll be a link in the description. So in this video, we'll be talking about our project. So let's start out with the basics, like what is optical character recognition? So optical character recognition is the software recognizing characters within an image. So this is Wikipedia's definition of optical character recognition. It says, optical character recognition, also optical character reader, OCR, is the mechanical or electronic conversion of images of typed, handwritten, or printed text into machine encoded text. So let me show you guys the difference between an image of, for example, the number 8 and how the computer sees the number 8. So now let's go back to the website that we went to in the first video to learn about machine learning, machine vision. So as you can see, these are just a few of the number 8s that have been put into the MNIST dataset, and the way how the computer sees this image of 8 is the lighter the color, the smaller the number. So if it's a big number, then it's going to be very dark, like black. So you might be wondering how the computer reads the. So now you might be wondering how the computer reads the number 8, because right now you just see how it sees the image of the number 8. So this is the computer's. If you press the 8 key on your keyboard, this is what it'll send a signal of these numbers. There are 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. It'll think that this is it'll think that the number 8 is this. So you might be wondering that if the computer reads the number 8 like this, then what does the computer read for a letter or a symbol? This is one example for the letter A. This is what the computer reads for the letter A: 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And here's another example, but of a symbol. The equal sign is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So from our examples, I hope you know the difference between an image that the computer sees and a symbol that the computer sees, or letter or number. Now let's talk about our project setup. So our project setup has Raspberry Pi, a Raspberry Pi camera, and a few other items that are listed on our GitHub page. So this is our GitHub page, and it'll be shown in the link in the description. So this page has two sections. One of them is the materials. That we'll need, and the other one is the code to the project. So this is the page that lists the materials, and there's a link to each material. So the first material is a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus starter kit. Another one is a Raspberry Pi camera. Another one is a Raspberry Pi camera, and another one is a Raspberry Pi camera. the third one, so this is Velcro that we'll be using to put the camera on the crate, and you'll see the crate later. So this is the Velcro we'll be using to stick the camera. Just stick the Raspberry Pi camera. So this is the crate. So this is the crate that we'll be using to stick the Raspberry Pi camera on. And the final item is this dry eraser board to also stick on the crate. So your final setup should look something like this. So as you can see, the Raspberry Pi camera will be over here, stuck on by the Velcro, and the dry eraser board will be leaned onto this side. And you'll probably have to focus the Raspberry Pi camera to get a good shot of the symbol. So this is a view from above, and this is a view from the side. And this is an image from the Raspberry Pi camera from inside the crate. So in the next video, we'll learn about the basics of Python and how to program the Raspberry Pi camera using Python. Hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to check out our GitHub page. Bye.